I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Sync 3 system in this Ford Fiesta. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. So that's on there. Then you can either go to phone. There's no phones on it at the moment, so it's add phone, or it would say connect to whichever other phones are on the system. Or you can just go into settings, to Bluetooth, add a Bluetooth device.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Now we'll do it through this system. So discover other Bluetooth. Continue.
Select one of the devices found by
Barry's
Sync.
iPhone. It's showing my phone there.
Confirm that the pin displayed on Sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
Well, I'm going to say yes, and that's it.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Okay, so that's it. Now, these phone systems, what happens as Apple are updating their iOS system, sometimes it doesn't work how you'd expect it to. For instance, then the PIN number would normally come up, but it didn't. So you just kind of have to suck it and see. There's different ways of doing it all the time. It's probably not a great explanation, but I'll try it the other way for you. So there's no phones attached. If we go into Bluetooth here, make sure Bluetooth is on. See if anything comes up. It's probably not searching. So add device.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found. Select one of the devices found by Sync.
It's showing Ford Fiesta. So if I click on Ford Fiesta on the phone first, rather than on here, pairing unsuccessful. So Barry's iPhone 10, waiting for Ford.
Confirm that the pin displayed on Sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
As you can see, at this moment in time, it's not displaying a PIN number. But I'm pretty sure that's due to the update of the Apple iOS, and Apple will sort it out. If I click on Ford Fiesta, losing the will to live, pairing unsuccessful. So we'll knock that off. Click retry.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Discover other Bluetooth devices. Ford Fiesta can search for available Bluetooth devices. Continue.
Select one of the devices found
Found
by
my
Sync.
phone. Click on Barry's iPhone.
Confirm that the pin displayed on Sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
Again, it's not displayed, but we'll click yes. Ford Fiesta's appeared on the phone.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
I hope that's helped. As I say, I think the problem is at this moment in time, and we're mid-January 2019, I think it's because of the latest perhaps security update on iPhones, but it doesn't seem to work. This is an Apple iPhone 10. It's got the latest software in, but you can power through and pay your phone. I hope that's helped.